Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Sendspark, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and claims to create personalized videos to scale your outreach, onboarding, and customer service. It's the second time that Sendspark is on AppSumo. They have more than 800 reviews on AppSumo. Yes, it's a beloved tool. I have the tier 4 and I totally recommend it. I'm gonna show you how the tool works. It's a video tool with several email integrations where you can record videos and also establish a relationship with your clients and much more. It's an alternative to Loom, Video Ask, and Video Art. Sendspark lets you create and edit personalized video content at scale so you can send out in any inbox. Let's take a look at the structure of the job. Remember that if you want to get their business plan, you need to get at least the tier 2. The tier 1 is mapped to their pro plan, so take a look at it. And if you want to get the CNAME, you need to buy at least the tier 4. The tier 4 comes with the CNAME. Workspace are the different brands that you're going to use, and users are your team members. So with tier 4, for instance, you get 25 workspace and 15 users per workspace, and also 400 gigabytes of storage with unlimited video. Here on the tier 1, you don't get unlimited, so it's a deal to buy at least the tier 2, and I will totally recommend you to buy the tier 4 to get more storage and the CNAME. It's the tier that I have bought, and the tool is established now, and I think it's safe to buy Sendspark right now on AppSumo. Let's take a look at the tool. Oh, here is the dashboard where you can see your library of videos. You can see that I have 3 videos here on my library, and it's where you can start recording. Just click here to start recording a new video, and then you can use your screen or your camera. But remember that usually you're gonna use the Sendspark Chrome extension to record your video. And after you record your video, for instance, you will see that screen here. So I recorded the video here. You can add a header to the video. It will look like that. It will go with your branding. You can also add a message that will be here and add a call to action with a button text and a URL. You can turn on or off the call to action as well. Use Sendspark to share the video with your audience. You can record the video with Sendspark using their Chrome extension, or you can upload a new video here, okay? So you can record with the extension or upload the video. And how you can share the video. You can see here that you can share the video just sharing the link, a linked GIF, or the link. You can also share with personalization using HubSpot or Outreach. You can also embed the video on your website or on the email platform using the code snippet. You can also share your video on your social media or Gmail, or you can download the video, the whole video, or the thumbnail as a GIF. Those are the share opportunities, okay? You will be able to edit the thumbnail of the video that will copy and paste on Gmail, for instance. It's integrated with the Gmail, and you can personalize it with the first name of the person. The video will have an analytics where you can see the total views, total plays, total clicks, and total likes. On the Sendspark settings, you can change your workspace. I have 2 now. My own workspace and my team workspace, but I can create more. Just click on the workspace and you create a new workspace. The workspace is the whole structure where you're gonna see your team library, the videos, you set up a new brand. Okay, it's pretty easy to create a new workspace. When you click on Manage Workspace, you can add your workspace details. It will be your logo, your workspace name. The global styles, it will be the colors, your main colors, and also your logo. And you can, of course, turn off the Spark branding. You have white label and set up your custom domain. They also has a feature to add your custom favicon. If you want to invite a new member to your team, it's pretty easy. You can add your teammate just adding their name. Sorry, you will add a new teammate adding their email, of course, adding their email here, and it will you have a new team member, new teammate on that workspace. Remember, if you get tier 4, for instance, you get 15 teammates per workspace, not total, but per workspace. So the teammates, the number of the teammates are divided by workspace. You will be able to see the analytics, all your videos, all your teammates' videos, and also the total clicks, total plays, total videos. You can request videos from people. Just click the copy request link and send to someone. The link will be with your branding. They will receive that message here. Then they will add their name, email, and will be able to start recording, submitting the video or recording the video. Sendspark also has templates, so you will be able to create a new template and just copy and paste that template after you record the video. Just select the template and it's done. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use Sendspark. It's a tool that replaced Loom pretty well. It's already established. It has a good price with really nice limits and reviews. And I totally recommend it if you need a tool to record videos and also to share those videos using Gmail or other kind of strategies. I have added the link in the description. You get the best price for Sendspark. Do not miss that deal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.